Hello, I'm Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
Today we are talking about the triple bottom line and analyze Google's triple bottom line. From the economic dimension, companies should ensure the benefits of people and the environment. Profit or economic bottom line refers to the economic value created by an organization after deducting the cost of all inputs, including the cost of the occupied capital. Therefore, it is different from the traditional definition of profit accounting. In the original concept, within the framework of sustainability, profit needs to be regarded as the real economic benefits enjoyed by the host society. It is the actual economic impact of an organization on its economic environment. This is often confused with being limited to internal profits made by a company or organization. If a company shows monetary profits, but their asbestos mine causes thousands of deaths from asbestosis, their copper mine pollutes a river, and the government eventually spends taxpayer money on healthcare and river cleaning. For example, Nielsen Company choose cheaper labor, cheap way to dispose of waste. From the social dimension, companies should focus on employees and obey the law. Triple bottom line envisages a mutually beneficial social structure in which the interests of enterprises, workers, and other stakeholders are interdependent. Businesses committed to the triple bottom line seek to benefit many constituencies rather than exploit or endanger any group of constituencies. Triple bottom line companies often seek to contribute to the strength and the development of their communities through healthcare and education in order to return. Triple bottom line companies do not use child labor, nor monitor the use of child labor by all contractors, pay fair wages to their workers, maintain safe working conditions and tolerable working hours, or otherwise use the community or its labor force. For example, Harvard's company creating a comfortable office environment. From the environment dimension, companies should pursue sustainable development. The bottom line of the Earth's environment or natural capital refers to sustainable environmental practices. Triple bottom line is committed to minimizing the impact on the environment as much as possible or at least without harming the natural order. Triple bottom line strives to reduce its ecological footprint by carefully managing its energy and non-renewable energy consumption, reducing waste manufacturing and reducing waste toxicity before disposing of waste in a safe and legal manner. They usually conduct life cycle assessments of products to determine the final disposal from the growth and harvest of raw materials to manufacturing, distribution, and end user. For example, DuPont Company use technology research and development, product recycling. Next, my partner Chloe will talk about the Google.
I want to analyze about how Google works through the triple bottom line. The bottom line of Google environment is responsible for protect data security and sustainability for environmentally healthy. They use various levels of high-level security measures. For example, the use of laser underfloor intrusion detection bins, and biometric system and iris scanners. There is a cooling valve for air conditioner equipment in Google Data Center. All-around end-to-end training management computer drivers. Google believes that sustainable development is very important. The bottom line of Google Social is some employees have the right to enter the data center computer. Both female and male have it. Google provides an interesting environment that allows employees to carry pets. Chatbot can be used to work while working. Information security teams protecting security and preventing user information is most important design standard of Google. 3 million working hours for all employees, but only have 0 lost time. It is worth mentioning that the books written by security personnel have also received a lot of praise. Also shows that Google is people-oriented. The bottom line of Google economy is Google use customized design and architecture framework. It reduced the additional recurring purchase costs. Google and data center are often innovative. Use cold water to reduce the temperature of copper cores in data center. Not use coolant. Google doesn't just pursue interest, but ignores the other two bottom line. That's all. Thanks for listening.